Good
Good
morning. Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
everyone.
Good
Yes, please open your workbook.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Open your workbooks. Page number 16. Page number 16 of your workbooks. Yes. Page number 16. 1-6. Okay.
Workbook part 1, no?
Yes. Page number 16 of your workbooks. Okay.
And this page?
There is only one page number 16. You don't have to ask me which page. Page number 1-6 of your workbook. Okay. And I want all of you to please mute your audios. Please mute your audios.
And test book?
Workbook page number 16. Why don't you listen to the instructions? At that time, you are busy talking. Yes. Can you see the page?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am.
So this we have to.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Okay, only those whom I ask will unmute and tell me the answers. All others will keep quiet. Okay, Aryan, look at the first one. Read the story and complete the missing words. The pictures besides the blanks will help you. The first one is done for you. One day a boy got a dash. What did he get? Look at the picture and tell me.
Lecture.
Is that Aryan?
Ma'am.
Yes, Aryan. Anna Mary.
Ma'am.
What is the answer? One day a boy got a
Letter.
letter. Okay, so you have to write their letter. 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 Letter.
Finish.
Okay. See, you don't have to tell me finished or all that after each and every word. I will move on to the next one. Don't worry. Okay, next one. Vishnu. He was invited by the dash. Look at the picture and tell me, Vishnu. King. Yes. Okay. He was invited by the king. Sorry, K is already there. K is already there.
തലയിലൊരു വെള്ളം പോലും പോയിട്ടില്ല അമ്മോളവിടെ ഫോൺ നോക്കി ഇരുന്നാ മതി അല്ലെങ്കിൽ
എനിക്കിന്ന് കുറ്റം ബാത്റൂം തുറന്നു വരാണ്ട് കുളിപ്പിക്കാം.
I can hear some parents speaking.
അല്ലേ?
Okay. K-I-N-G. Yes. K-I-N-G.
August.
Okay. Next one. Who had sent a dash? Devamitra.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that?
Which question?
After the king, who had sent a dash? What does the picture show you?
Horse.
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 Okay, yes.
H-O.
H-R-S-E. Yes. Okay, next one. Who had sent a horse for him? He sat on the... Serafina,
Ma'am,
what is it? He sat on the...
he sat on the
Hmm.
horse.
Horse. Okay, again it is horse. H-O-R-S-E. Yes, and went up. A dash. Roshid, what is it? Went up a dash.
Hill.
Hill, yes. H-I-L-L. Next. They saw a big dash. Pale, what is it?
Castle.
Castle. Okay, they saw a big castle. C-A-S-T-L-E. Castle. They saw a big castle. Janita, the next one. The dash went in.
Ma'am,
Yes.
boy.
Boy, yes. The boy went in. Okay. Rissa. Rissa, why is your video switched off?
Ma'am,
Okay, next one. Rissa, tell me the next one. The boy went in and saw a big
tree.
tree. Okay, T-R-E-E. Filled with dash. Able. Able.
Yes, ma'am.
What is it filled with? What does the picture show you?
Boy.
Boy. Where are you, Able? We finished all that.
Cake.
Cakes, yes. C-A-K-E-S also is there. I don't have the place for S. So please write C-A-K-E-S. Okay? Finished?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so I will read it once again. Please check if you have got all the answers. One day, a boy got a letter, L-E-T-T-E-R. He was invited by the king, K-I-N-J, who had sent a horse, H-O-R-S-E, for him. He sat on the horse and went up a hill. They saw a big castle. The boy went in and saw a big tree filled with cakes. Okay, so everybody has got all the answers?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you can open page number 32. Page number 32. Open page number 32 of your workbook.
I'll take 32. Ma'am, I get.
Okay.
അമ്മ ഒന്നും കൊണ്ടുവന്നു നട്ട്സിന്റെ സ്മെല്ല് നട്ട്
Talking in between, and that too in Malayalam. Yes. Okay. Fill in the missing letters and complete the names of the pictures. Suhana, tell me the first one. Suhana, is your name Suhana? Yes, Suhana. Look at the picture and tell me what is it.
Nuts.
What nuts? What is that?
Peanuts.
Peanuts, yes. So write there peanuts. 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 Second one, Adnan. Adnan, tell me what. Yes. Squirrel, yes. Squirrel. Squirrel. Okay, who's going to tell me the next one? Rex. What is the next one?
Forest.
Forest. Yes. Forest. Forest.
Next day.
Nora,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the next one?
Tiger.
Tiger. Okay. Tiger. Aiden Dias. Tell me the next one. Fifth one. What is it? I can't hear you. Winter, yes. Winter. Winter. Okay. Aiden Rojo, tell me the last one. Unmute. Balloons, yes, balloons. 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 Okay. Yes. Finished? First one is peanuts, squirrel, forest,
Yes, ma'am.
tiger, winter, balloons. Okay. Now on page 33, you have a similar exercise. Next, we shall do that. On page 33, you have a similar exercise.
Rose flower. Money.
Yes.
Sun.
One second.
Number 33. Light. Page number
Yes, page number 33. Okay. Avantika, tell me the first one.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Flower.
Flower. Okay, very good. Flower. Flower. Niharika, I can hear somebody speaking still in between. Niharika, what is it? Monkeys. Monkeys. Those who are still not muted your audio, please. Adnan, please mute. Okay, next one. Heaven Jose. Tell me the third one. Leaves. Yes. Leaves. Leaves. Felix. Jerry. Felix. Fourth one. What is the fourth one? Alex, what is the fourth one?
Light. Fourth one.
Fourth one. Light.
Light. Okay. L-I-G-H-T. Okay. Next one. Esther. Esther, tell me the fifth one. Fifth one. Unmute and tell me the fifth one.
Playing.
There is no playing, there is only play. P-L-A-Y. Play. Okay. Andrina. Andrina, tell me the last one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the last one?
Crayons.
Crayons. Very good. C-R-A-Y-O-N-S. Crayons. Okay. So you have flower, monkeys, leaves, light, play, crayons. Okay?
Mm.
Okay, now you have one homework, very small exercise. Don't do it now, I'll just tell you how to do it. Page number 17. Open page number 17.
Okay. 17.
Yes. Anamika.
Ma'am.
Anamika, can you see page number 17? 17.
Yes.
Okay. On that page, you have 3 columns, okay?
My board is not seeing.
I have not shared anything. This is homework. I will not show it on the board. You have to do it by yourself. Okay, on page number 17, see the first one is done for you. One word is taken from the first column, another word from the second column, and the third word from the third column, and you have to form a sentence. Like see the first one. My family is a small one. Did you see that, Anamika?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, look at the second one. Our mother. Form a sentence and tell me.
Our mother tells
Yes.
us
Yes.
all going to school.
No. Our mother tells us.
Bedtime stories.
Yes, bedtime stories. So like that, you have to form sentences. Okay, did everybody understand? Yes, so that is your homework. Page number 17 is homework. One is already done and one I also showed you the example. Our mother tells us bedtime stories. Okay, so that is how you should do it. Did you all read the chapter last week? Did you practice reading? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Studied the question answers and the
Yes.
meanings?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Very sure?
Yes.
Let me see. How many of you have studied?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So please open your chat box. I'm going to give you one daily test.
Okay, ma'am. Daddy test, daddy test. Chat box, is the link.
1 second.
I not get the link.
Wait, I have not sent. Please wait. One second. Okay.
I get it.
Yes. Only 5 questions. You have to do it by yourself. Please don't take help from your parents. I don't want to know how much your parents know. I want to know how much you know. Should I read the questions? I will read the questions for you. Okay, first question is, the animals were getting ready for Christmas, holidays, cold days. Animals were getting ready for Christmas, holidays, cold days.
Cold days.
I don't want the answer from everyone. Please mute your audios. Next one. Find a word from the lesson which means other than. Find a word from the lesson which means other than. Third, when the weather turned cold, Sunny went to school. Sunny went looking for nuts. Sunny built a new home. When the weather turned cold, Sunny went to school. Sunny went looking for nuts. Sunny built a new home.
Sunny.
Fourth one, from the lesson, find a word that means a short sleep, nap, lazy, cold days. From the lesson, find a word that means a short sleep, nap, lazy, cold days. And the last one, next summer, Sunny decided to make new friends, never to be lazy again, to learn to cook. Next summer, Sunny decided to make new friends, never to be lazy again, to learn to cook. So these are your 5 questions. Okay.
Ma'am, I finish.
Okay.
Ma'am, I finish. Ma'am,
Yes, you don't have to keep telling me I finished. I can see who all I finished. I'm getting the responses here.
I have to fight alone. I know what to say. Ma'am, I cannot submit. Ma'am, I cannot submit. Ma'am, I finished. Ma'am, I finished. Ma'am, I'm not seeing. Ma'am, I finished. Ma'am, I finished. Except when the weather turns കൊണ്ട് സബ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല സ്റ്റക്കായി കിടക്കാൻ സബ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനേ പറ്റില്ല ടൈം ഫോർ സെക്കൻഡ് പ്ലീസ് ആരെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ട് വിളിച്ച് ചോദിക്കാമോ പിന്നെ എനിക്ക് ഇത് ചെയ്യേണ്ടി വരും അപ്പൊ പിന്നെ എനിക്ക് ചെയ്യേണ്ടി വരും നാളേക്ക് സബ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ മാം മാമിനെ വെച്ചിട്ടില്ല മാമിന് എന്തോ പവർ ഫെയിലിയർ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ടെന്ന് മാം
വേണ്ട മാമേ ഇപ്പൊ അവിടെ എന്തോ പവർ ഫെയിലർ വന്നേക്കാണ്.
Number answer too.
Okay, everybody has finished doing?
Ma'am, I cannot submit. Ma'am, I cannot submit. Ma'am, I will finish.
Must be something. Please don't make so much of noise. Don't make so much of noise.
4 after 5.
Yes, okay. If you cannot submit, it must be a network issue. Don't worry. Don't
പഠിപ്പിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
worry about it. Okay? Everybody has written?
Yes.
Where is Ameya?
Ma'am,
Ameya is here.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I clicked
Ameya?
the questions. Yes.
Okay. Ameya, what is the meaning of short sleep? Emmanuel, please take your hand away from the mobile.
Nap.
Ameya? Yes?
Nap.
Nap. Okay, okay. Very good. Next, Suhana.
Ma'am,
Suhana, what is the meaning of other than?
ma'am,
Suhana, what is the meaning of other than? Except. Okay. What
ma'am,
did Tiggy decide to do next summer?
ഇച്ചിരി ഒരു മടി ഉണ്ട്. ആ മടി നല്ല
Who is that?
ശരിയാകുമ്പോ തോന്നണേ.
I can hear some parents speaking. Please either move away from the room or mute your audios.
I'm shouting.
Who is shouting? Okay. Niharika, what did Sunny decide to do next summer? Niharika,
She looked next.
Sunny decide to do next
Next
summer?
title. Ma'am,
I cannot hear you, Niharika.
ma'am,
Yes? Who is calling me?
Nora.
Yes, Nora.
I clicked the answers, but I cannot submit.
It's okay, Nora. No problem. It's just a daily test. Must be some problem with your network. Okay? Okay, Nora, you tell me the answer. What did Sunny decide to do next summer?
Sunny decide to not be never lazy again.
Okay. Don't use too many negatives, okay? Sunny decided not to be lazy again. If you use not, then don't use never. Just use one of them. Okay? So that lesson is clear?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
I hope everybody has finished writing down all the question answers.
Yes.
Okay. Today's workbook exercises also?
Over.
Yes. If anybody has not been able to complete, I will send it again through WhatsApp. You can complete it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
you,
you.
ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, ma'am.